What's happening, YouTube? Just got a knock on the door. FedEx came, brought me a package. I'm excited. We're getting ready to open it up. Big old box, isn't it? Yes, sir. Came from Florida. Sorry, I'm having to do this one-handed. Oh, look at that. We got some fish. Okay, this is... Oh, that's that OB Victorian. This is going in the tank that's underneath the TV. This is going to be my wife's OB show tank. Cool. Now, I hadn't seen one of those before. He was telling me about it, sent me a picture. Little Taiwan reef. Alright. These go in the big tank. Eureka Red Peacock. You're going in the big boy tank. OB. Going in OB tank. Another OB. Well, he's got some nice little markings on him. Hopefully he'll be coloring up. I don't know if I even showed y'all. This is what my wife decorated. Her 55. That was our deal. She gets the 55 and I got to get the 125. OB Pearl. Cool. Here's the blueberry, OB Zebra. Oh, this is my creamsicle peacock. Oh, I hope he's going to be pretty. I can't wait. This is my fire hat. Oh, y'all see this? I can't wait. My Malawi Barracuda. Oh, this is going to be so cool. I can't wait. I can't wait. This is my second Taiwan reef. How you doing, buddy? This is another OB. Actually, let me kill this big white there for now. This is the red OB. Wow, look at that. That is cool. He's got some color. Another OB. Yeah, I had three. I left three of the OBs in this tank. After we put everybody in the big boy tank, and two of them started beating each other up, so there's only two fish in there right now. A Bocanono, you know how to say it. Bocochromis, Nodo, Iena, I don't know. But super cool.